Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW SYS 008 traders. And our website is www.stochastic-macd.com for Elliott Wave trading, www.24elliottwave.com for advanced trading, www.dayprotraders.com. The title of the video is how to combine breakout trading and the moving average 200. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Very, very important. All right. This strategy is valid on all time frame, okay? But I would prefer traders to use this strategy on a daily chart. Very important, on a daily chart. You can use it on an hourly chart, on a 2-hour chart, on a 30-minute chart, on a 15-minute chart, on the monthly chart, on a yearly chart, on a quarterly chart, okay? But I would prefer traders to use it on a daily chart. One can use this strategy for stock trading, for currency trading, for futures trading, for option trading, for commodity trading, for ETF trading, for indices trading, all right? Very, very powerful. Let's get started. A breakout trading and a moving average 200. So when and where do we have a breakout? A breakout will take place at a key resistance level or key support level. You want to know where and when we have a breakout. So before we have a breakout, we will have the price consolidating. So we have what we call a balanced market pattern or an horizontal channel. You see the pink line here? We are looking at Microsoft stock and the price was oscillating between the two pink lines. And now we have a breakout. So the move that has started here forces the price out of the consolidation zone. If the price out of the consolidation zone, we will project the channel equal side to the other side. This is what we call the market geometry to set a target price. But you see, the price break out of the consolidation zone, and at the same time, at the time when the price was retesting the upper side of the consolidation session, we can see that the moving average 200 is very close to the top of the consolidation session. This is a bullish setup. So for this strategy, we want the price, okay, to be consolidating fast. That's the first condition. During the consolidation period, the smart money, the hedge funds, okay, the pension fund will be accumulating. If the stock is bullish, if the fundamentals are solid, if the market is bullish, okay, if a new bullish cycle is about to begin, very often the price will acknowledge a key support level. By acknowledging a key support level, the price will slow down, low volatility period, price consolidating, and then suddenly we see the price coming out of the consolidation zone. Remember, there are videos that we can watch at Joe Trio channel about breakout trading. Okay? So I will not be dwelling on the breakout trading itself, but I want to focus on how we can combine the breakout trading and the moving average 200. Two things we are using, the breakout and the moving average 200. So at the time when the price is retesting the upper side of the consolidation session, we want the moving average, this is the simple moving average 200. This is the thick blue line here. That's the simple moving average 200. We want the simple moving average 200 to be near, okay, the upper side of the consolidation. So breakout. Okay, this is the price retesting the upper side of the consolidation. At the same time, the moving average 200 is also near, okay, the upper side of the consolidation zone. As you can see here, this is the top of the consolidation, and the moving average 200 is also near that. Very often, the price will prefer the moving average 200 by coming down more near, because this is a low risk entry point. The moving average 200. So we have a breakout, and the price pull back to retest the top of the consolidation. See here, the first time it retested here, very often The best retest trader who understand Asia wave, we will prefer 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3. Here, the top of the consolidation right here, and the moving of 200 here. This is a bullish setup. Now we will use a top-down trading method or the trading drill. This is the setup. Now what do we need to do? We on a daily chart. We'll go to the weekly chart, monthly chart, validate the setup, and then go to the signal time frame, wait for the signal, and then use the TSCW key 02 to enter the trade. This is for the TSCW 008 traders. For a day trader using the TSCW 34, you see this setup, you validate the setup. Now what you need to do, you just go to the first best time frame. It makes sense? It is also a powerful. A breakout and a moving of a 200. So first condition, probably come out of the consolidation zone, breakout, and then retesting the top of the consolidation, second condition, and the moving of a 200 is also near, okay, the top of the consolidation session. This is a setup. You will not buy straight away. You will use the trading drill. You will check the fundamental, you will check the financial, balance sheet, cash flow, all right, at Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, you check the economy news, the market share, what is happening. You use the trading triangle, the market first. So if you see a bullish setup, but the market is bearish, put it aside. Concentrate, okay, on financial instruments that are aligned with the market. So if the market is bearish, we are giving priority to bearish signal, bearish setups. If the market is bullish, we are giving priority to bullish setups. All right, very, very important. Do not fight the market. Do not violate, okay, the market patterns, okay, or the market principles, okay. Here it is. By using the trading drill, one can navigate through this trend and take it gently. See? So though it's going out, you see it went up first, pull back, went up, blah, 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 and then now it's going up, okay? Yes or no? Beautiful setup. All right? I want to show you another example because I don't want this video to be too long. I want it to be straightforward. So you say, George, I get a message. What should I do now? Okay, demo trade it, test it. Test it, okay? Give it 2 weeks. Just testing this strategy. Test it with currencies. Test it with stock. Test it with commodity. Okay? See how this is working. Do not dump it because the first test has failed. Doesn't mean that the system has failed. Maybe you missed something. Maybe you just use technical alone. Maybe you didn't pay attention to the economy news. Maybe you violate the market patterns. Okay? Maybe you didn't validate the setup. Okay? So test it. Okay? Apply it, okay, until you master it. That's the best way to go with any strategy that you have learned. Check the risk-reward ratio. Is it worthy entering this trade? Are we at a low-risk entry point? We want to buy at a valid support level. We want to sell at a valid resistance zone. If the price is below support level, we want the price to retest it before we can be bearish. Retest and turn around. Break a ball, retest, turn around. So here, a breakout has taken place, and the price pull back to retest the top of the consolidation zone, and the movement of a 200 is also there. Okay? The opposite is also true when we are in a downtrend, the price going down fast. Okay? So I want to draw also a line. So we have a consolidation. So probably the price hit a resistance zone, or a key resistance level zone, or the price is at a convergent point. Okay, our target price went up first, and then now we see a consolidation taking place. So price was going up, now it's consolidation at the top, acknowledging a target zone or a resistance level. So it was consolidating, and then we see what we call a breakdown. Breakout or breakdown. The same is true. We talk about breakdown for a downtrend and breakout for a bullish trend. So breakout of the consolidation zone. And at the time when the price retesting the lower part of the consolidation, because here we have a down move and the price retesting the lower part of the consolidation session, all right? At the same time, we will see the moving of a 200 near the lower part of the consolidation session. This is a bearish setup. Okay, this is a moving of a 200, also near the retest point of the consolidation, so somewhere in that zone. Not too far away. We want it to be very close to the top of the consolidation zone. And this is a bearish setup. Again, we'll use the trading triangle, the trading drill, okay, and trade like a professional traders. If we receive a valid signal, we will take it at a low risk entry point. If the risk is too high, we'll put it aside. If the market is bullish, at the time when we see a bearish setup, we want to check whether we have at least, okay, a bearish news relating to the financial instrument that we are trading. At least. All right? I want to show you another financial instrument. Okay? Let's look at the S&P 500. Let's see whether we have one example here. Again, I said to you, this strategy is valid on all time frame, but I would prefer the daily chart. So TSCW24 traders, after they set out, you switch to the first best time frame. TSCW is usual trader, specialty swing trading. You go to the signal time frame and then use the TSCW key 02. The signal fails, just come out, okay? Always combine the technical and the fundamentals. So here again, you can see that on this daily chart, the S&P 500 was oscillating in this channel, so price went out first and then starts slowing down. It's acknowledging a key level. So prior move bullish, there's a high chance we may see a bullish continuation. Here it is, the price break above the blue channel, you see my channel here, and now is retesting the top of the channel. At the same time, the moving average 200 is also near the top of the consolidation here. This is a beautiful high probability trade setup. It makes sense? It is also powerful. You will see this strategy on the hourly chart, on the 2-hour chart, on the 30 minutes, on the 4-hour chart, on the daily chart, on the weekly chart, monthly chart, even a yearly chart. But for day trading, swing trading, we prefer that traders use the daily charts. At the time, we're talking about the downtrend when the price was consolidating fast, during the consolidation period before the breakdown, this is what we call a distribution. Because the price has hit a resistance level or the market is overbought at that point in time, this consolidation that is taking place before the breakdown, this is what we call the distribution. Distribution, the smart money is selling, but the price oscillating is consolidating, acknowledging the resistance level. You remember, the smart money always make their decision when the market is quiet. They are the first market participants. They will create the trend or the cycle. So they are selling. This is what we call distribution. Before a breakout for the bullish trade, we will have what we call accumulation. And then here, because a distribution is taking place, with price coming out of the consolidation zone after a distribution. Now, we want the price to retest the lower part of the consolidation session, but we are looking for another element, which is the moving of the 200 to be somewhere near, okay, the lower part of the consolidation session. It makes sense? It is also powerful. Test it, retest it, and own it. Master it, and use it like professional traders. Use the trading triangle, the market first, the sector, before the financial instrument itself. All right? The heart of the trading triangle, market leaders, the economy news, and the fundamental. Check Google Finance, check Yahoo Finance, check Forex Factories. All right? And make excellent trading and investment and decision. If you truly like this video, give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, give us the thumbs down. But if you dislike it, let us know why you dislike it. Maybe it's the sound, maybe it's the quality of the video, maybe it's my accent, maybe I've said too many okay, or blah, blah, blah. Okay, put it below. That we appreciate your feedback. If you truly like it, share it on Google Plus with your friend, share it on Twitter, on Pinterest, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTWSYS008 traders. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Speak to you soon.